In this video, I'll show you how to add a device to Google Home. Step 1. Open the Google Home app on your phone or tablet. Ensure that the device you want to add is powered on and nearby. Step 2. Tap the plus icon in the top left corner and select Set up Device. Choose New Devices to begin the setup process. Step 3. The app will scan for available devices. Select your new device when it appears in the list. Step 4. Follow the prompts to connect the device to your home Wi-Fi network. Make sure to name the device for easy identification later. Step 5. Test the new device by giving a command like "Hey Google, turn on," and then the name of your device. Follow these steps carefully to achieve the desired outcome with Google Home. For additional troubleshooting or tips, refer to the Google Home support page. Thanks for watching, subscribe!